Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be looking at how to install Java in our computer system along with Java editor, and also we will be running our very first Java program. So let's begin. Open your web browser. Type Oracle Java install. Click on the first link. Scroll down, and select Windows option. Select according to your device, and in few seconds the download will be successful. Open the downloaded file. Choose Next. Within few seconds Java installation will be completed. Now open C drive. Go to Program Files. Click on Java. Select JDK19. Open bin, and copy this path. Now, go to search bar, and type environment variables, and open it. Under Advanced, click on Environment Variables. Within System Variables, double-click on Path. Click on New. Paste the path here that you copied earlier. Click on OK. Similarly, go to C drive again. Open Program Files. Select Common Files. Then select Oracle. Select Java path, and copy this path as we did earlier. Again go to Environment Variables and paste the path like we did earlier. Once it's done, click on OK. Now, under System Variables, click on New. Name it as Java_Home. For the variable value, go to JDK19 folder and copy the path. Paste it in variable value. Click OK. Now Java can successfully run on your computer system. To write a Java code, we must need a code editor. So we will be downloading IntelliJ Idea to write and execute our Java programs. To install IntelliJ Idea, go to any web browser. Type IntelliJ Idea install. Click on the first link by JetBrains. Download the Community Edition. Wait until the download is completed. Once the installation process is completed, open IntelliJ Idea. Click on File and create new project. Click on src and open main file. IntelliJ automatically provides the basic format for Java code. Java program always contains a public class. The name of the class is the name of the Java file. We use a function named public static void main. Inside that we write the code to be executed. Here it is written hello world. Click on run and the code will be executed. We can see hello world is printed on the screen. That's it for today's video. In upcoming videos, we will learn more about Java and various programming languages. Do check our previous videos. Until then, see you guys.